Kabayan Hotel, and the driver is here to pick me up, and I'm still waiting here in the waiting area. So this is the waiting area. Bags are there. I'll be staying in Kabayan Hotel, and my sisters are waiting for me. They're here. And they are here to welcome me. Bakit? Pinodbita? Hi, Ems!
Ipagkitag na ako ni ate.
Gamaya man, nadi ka kay ba mo gama, no? Si Jerome, man ako man nabitong ka, Jerome. Alam mo, laging asinso ni.
Oo naman, pwede bag-ibili mo. Butang natin man.
What's so nice about this hotel is they have a buffet snacks. Snacks? Ano sa ban?
Dugaya ka kayo, oy.
Nga naman.
Dugay, chid ka.
Ibingaw na ba na ako? Sana ako po mumulakaw. Mumulakaw, AIDS?
Nababot lang ka. Wala, pansin natin.
This is what I got. Siopaw, pansit, empanada. Ano saan eh? Siomay? Dumpling? Kung kanihang kuno. Gikao din. Sili.
Ang ilain man na, pero hang yan.
Hi, Abs! Abs! Welcome to the Philippines!
Dugay ka kayo.
And now we're heading to our room.
Our room.
They got 4 elevators here.
Ems, para dili ko na talaga.
One.
Ibilin ko. Kisa yung gawin na dala.
Soy Ems! Oh my gosh, nice na nga. Hala, maganda na talaga dito. I can't imagine.
Barato ra.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Oh, this is really new.
Ato, na po ko pantigla.
This is renovated. Manang galaba man ka. This is well renovated. We got 2 beds. Manang katapag ka mo ni ate?
Naduha na mo ka ba?
Nya, kasi ano mo tapad na ako. Look at the view. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Mas pretty sa kabila. Ewan ko bakit kami nilipat dito.
Manang sa unang di ay, bago, karon pa di mo yung balhin? Oh my gosh, there's a big fridge. Hoy, hindi talaga ganito dati to, no? Yung kabayan, no? Pangit to dati, no? Ngayon gumaganda na, no?
Ito man bagong tayo siya, ma'am.
Saan yung luma?
Sa dulo.
Hindi na, hindi na.
Nagamit na
Uy, ako din ka dispenser water atong dapin. Mamaya na.
And they have, what's in here? Oh, this is the bathroom.
Bakit ito? Wala ito?
Oh, this is well renovated. Oh, this is new. Oh my gosh, it's huge.
Oh my...
Dako, lagi John. Dako, no? Lalamay lagi. Oh, nice. Sala dako lagi ni ate, no? Oh my gosh.
Not bad for the
Uh-huh.
price.
Oh my goodness, this is nice. Ang agkuan lang pud ani ate kay. Oh my gosh, I love the view. Agkuan lang pud. Hi, ate. And where are we going?
The Dolomite Beach.
So Dolomite Beach used to be a trash
beach.
and because of the government they changed it into a beach area. But dili pwede maligo. But you cannot swim because the water is still yucky, still dirty. But let's see how would it look like. That's a good Manila Bay Baywalk Dolomite Beach. No swimming, eating, smoking, literally. Public restrooms. Where's the sunset? We're here in time for the sunset. Asagod ang sun? Ay, buwang at tabunan man.
Oo, lagi.
Ay!
Sino makapture mo yan dyan?
Dili. Ah, look at the beach. It's nice. Alin na, Ems? Pagdagandagan na, kanamrag sinumar ba? Kanamrag dakpon-dakpon ka na ako. Yung, Ems! 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 Ay! 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 Come on, Ace! Come here! Come here, Ace! Run! 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 So I'll be showing you the before of this area. It's all trash. The Manila Bay before. And look! The Manila Bay after. Ems is happy to be here.
Finally!
Let's see.
91, 92,
Let's check the
91,
water.
2001.
Let's check the water if it's cold.
30 plus years.
Guniti Ems kung hinlo ba siya.
Ikaw, bahala ka. Ano naman lagi sagbot? Basta gigan lagi mo uwan.
Dili kay nagkuan go di. Hello, look at the water hinlo man siya tanawon. Mas hinlo pag unabi sa LA.
Ito.
Ay masuwal sa ako kanang Hilton Head ate. Okay na si
Wala
Mana.
na may ganang lutaw. Ingon di na ko. Ingon ngoya mo na mo lutaw.
Ala. It's the smile mong duha, smile mong duha. Smile. Wave, wave. Wave. Hi. Perfect. Perfect na Ams. Ang gawas ng sun. Alam mo rin lagi nagdili orange ng imo ate.
Berapa banyak?
Wala, fake ang color. So we don't know that they are closing at 6 p.m. So,
Oh my God!
so we're supposed to wait for the lights of the buildings.
Ano mag-skirt?
Yeah, we are waiting for the lights. But they're asking us to exit the Dolomite Beach. Again? Again, Ems? Oh, mura man din po ni ating BBC kay taas mo kayo. BBC bito, long stretch of sand. Nyasa naman ta.
Beach Club.
Bito, no?
Muli na ito kay magpakuha na tako ko.
And this is it. Nice. Ay, mag 360 ta! We'll do a 360. Yeah. Ikaw gulit ate.
Ay, wa ko? O, di.
Ano bito dapat? 1, 2, 3. Makita ang mga building?
Wapa. Balik.
Yung ba na mong gunta? Sara magka-Ems! Santay man! Di mo guna namatay. Okay na. Nag-antay. Bye! Bye! Hala, naakay ka ng birthgo? Dali, kay labong niya mo itaw. Nice!
Kanang mura kang ipakyaw.
Smile!
Pag-alin na mo dahil lang, kadihan naman eh.
And now we're going to check the view at night here in our room.
Tubig Ems.
Oh, where's the light? Uy, di man mapatay.
Mapatay mo ba?
And that's the view. Uy, pati asang suga, be. Ate. Come on. That's the view at night. Hello, Manila. Hello, Manila. I'm here. Ah, nice. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, so pretty. Manila, Manila. Take me back to
Then
Manila.
siguro yung Paranaque. Where's
Oh my
Paranaque?
gosh. Oy, this is facing kuan mong good.
No, that's the airport there.
Ah, airport.
Asa ng Malabyan ng Paranaque?
Ay, oh, airport na ito. Ah, nata sa kilid.
Natas, hindi yung Manila Bay sa likod natin.
Oh, we should have been facing
So we
Manila
will
Bay.
see the sunrise here tomorrow.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Good night. Good night for now. Street. Good morning, Manila. Good morning. It's still early. We had jet lag. We woke up like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and we've changed our plans. We're leaving the hotel because we changed our plans. Really So bye room. Bye room. Bye kabayan. Which is, daghan na kayo pa doon mo trabaho, oh. Which is really close to the station.
Hala, traffic naman ate.
To the EDSA station. See? Bye! And we have just checked out. We have have our bags ready. Bye, kabayan. Ah, sige, sige. My sister wants to be on a video. Pressing through the door. Go! Go, Ems! Say bye! Palang. Ikaw naman, It's! Go, It's! It's your turn! Superman! Superman! Bye! And it's my turn!